quick breakfast to go.
Hi guys, good morning. Day 2. We're in a trolley. I'm in a trolley because we went to one of the parks to ride splash one with water. Okay, I didn't have time to do it. I do move. Why are you here?
This is like really cute shops around, and looks like houses. Oh, it goes way out there. Way out there. There's some drinks. Her trouble bus. I guess you can go inside. That's probably the museum. That's neat. They're all dressed up.
We got in here time and all the Saturday.
We have time? Look at this old rod. And there's another one. That's neat. Lightning rod. So we're waiting for my son to get done with the ride. It's called the lightning rod, and he will be coming from there. I don't do that ride. I don't do scary rides. She's looking at my phone. This cute girl. Is it scary?
I guess so.
The ride was scary?
I guess so.
That's what you just rode.
Rampage. What's that?
What's a rampage? Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, you're gonna get wet. So that's the ride that we just went, and fucking wet, but we'll be dry out as well. Look at him. Yeah, wet. I have to go through all the long lines because we have this pass, and we just go in, get in, and go out. Ooh, look at that big fish. See that one? I think that's a catfish, and it's huge.
No, not yet. Keep looking for him.
Where? There's more in here? Oh wow. There's so many of them.
I haven't noticed how far.
Yeah. Yeah, he's feeding them. Throw some food. Where are you? No, throw it one by one. Go. That's the white albino one.
Albino.
What their house looks like
Oh my God.
back then. Oh, I remember that. We have a neighbor. They used to put newspaper
On the wall?
because they can't afford to paint it. See, look at their little kit thing, the stove.
Okay, when was she born? 19 where? 19 when?
40s or late 30s.
They only had one bed, right? And then the rest of the kids just sleep on the floor.
Oh no.
Yeah, I remember that. My grandma used to put thing on the wall.
Yeah.
Okay, such a small house. See, because they put so much space on the porch. So let's go walk onto the store. Oh, that's neat. Look at that. And look at that giant butterfly. So neat. Inside the store, this is a little cute store. Yeah. Oh. You guys, I love bird cages. I love bird cages. That is so neat. Wow. Lots of nice home furnishings. Ooh, wonder how much it is. Good. Home sweet home. Very nice. Oh wow. They'll always love you. It's hard to be a diamond in a rhinestone world. It says love. I'm looking for a specific sign. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. Never forget, you are loved. Begin each day with a grateful heart. Oh, I got that at home. These are more of a farmhouse style decorations that's really on trend right now. Ah, yeah. Look at those. I love them. Ooh, look at that kettle corn. I love kettle corn. Souvenir shops. Let me go there later. I love that they have a variety of food that they offer here and serve here at Dollywood. Not like when we went to Universal Studios. For some reason, it's always the same thing everywhere. And here you go, old man. Why did you get that one?
The electric one.
Oh my god, they're out of the electric one? You're the youngest person in the...
No, I saw a teenage girl, she had one.
Oh my
Had a
god.
brace on it.
Minus foggy points. Minus foggy points. Ah, it's hot. Not too bad hot. We just got through eating. Can you smell the cinnamon bread? Okay, there's no way I will ride that ride. That's the next ride we're riding. Hey, Lumpo. Casting over there. Learn by doing. To feed the birds. After lunch. This is not, yeah. They're running away. Let's go. Was it good? So we're gonna try the zip lining over there later. Don't hit the baby. Are you going to ride this one, Dylan? Oh, I love the mist. I'm not going to ride that one. Oh, it goes the other way. Do you have a good time?
No.
Not a whole lot. You had a good time, wheelchair man?
Yeah.
Anyway, there's still a lot of people. They reopened the park, but it's drizzling and we're gonna get more rain. We're tired and we're hungry. We'll talk to you guys later and thank you for watching the vlog. See you again.